In this video, I will show you how you can use dual video recording mode on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the camera app on your Samsung phone, then go to the video recording section. After that, just tap on the four dots over here, and from this menu, just scroll to the left side and tap on the dual video recording mode. Now you have two options to record dual videos. You can either record videos with the selfie camera in a pop-up window, just like that, or if you want to record dual videos in a split screen mode, you also have the option to record dual videos in split screen mode. As you can see, the bottom is the preview from the back camera, and the top one is the preview from the front camera. Just tap on record and start recording from the camera of your Samsung phone. And once you're done recording, then just tap on the square icon to stop recording. As you can see, this is how you can use dual video recording mode on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.